Hello friends, this is Abhi. We are now showing the super affiliate system how you can make money online. You can make 500 to $600 per day or more. In this, we will show you how you can promote your affiliate products throughout the audience in social media marketing with ads and so many different types of waves. In this, we will teach you free traffic method and advertisement methods. These two are. In this course, we will provide you so many of type of offers and skills, live training, performance, and lot of things. In this, you can just 100% you will profitable business. You can just copy and post that in your social media and all the type of how to create Facebook ad, how to which place is good for the Facebook ads, and so many different type of challenges you can going to learn in these courses. You can so many people are not able to earn money because they're not able to learn. If they not learn, they cannot make money. The free courses is not able to make the money. In this free courses, for all are providing in internet is useless and time wasting performance in so many different ways. You can start. You can if you can spend money little amount of that, then you will make 10 times of that every time. If you learn something, that knowledge will help you to make money online. In this, we are going to promote the super affiliate system because this is a good affiliate marketing promotion for the in this situation. And you can how you can learn how can place the ads, how can promote your products, and how can you make a single sale. You can make $500 per day. You can make $500 with this course. In this so many super affiliate system, we will uh, provide you placing the ads, how to place the ads, how to place the Google ads, Facebook ads, and with this we will create you ad. You have to create the ad and approve into the Facebook, and you will get money within a week. Within a week you can get your money within a week. mm, so many of people are making the money in this, and you can definitely do not ignore this because it is a one time offer. If you make this, then you will make all time massive income. It's definitely good. If you write, then comment us. There is nothing, oh, no one can help you. No one can help you until you can help. You can help in yourself. You learn, then you will make money. If you don't, you cannot make. In this, so many of people are making with this money. So many of peoples and different types of the peoples. They are enjoying their life. They see they are making money. They are starting the money. They are earning money. You can also make money with this. See that snapshots original. These are all our original shots. You can also make this type of music comes. This see the review. How the other people are making money. How the people are making money. You can also make money with that. There is no doubt. You can try it. It is the guarantee. It is give so 60 days guarantee. They will give the checks. They will give the promotion. They will give everything. This course will give everything what you need to promote, what you want to promote. There is nothing you can make. Yes, you can make really 500 to $600. You can learn externally. You can learn the skills like Google ad, Google search engine, SEO, marketing tips, knowledge of research and marketing, and Facebook advertisement, all the social media advertisement, social media marketing, digital marketing, and how to promote any product, how to advertise the product, how to set up a business. In this course mention all the type of promotions that you can make money online. You can take any product and promote it online, and you will definitely get the money. This is sure guarantee you can make the money. If you like our video, then subscribe us and follow us. And I'm telling you, if you like, I want your like button and comment us awesome more videos. According to this, I will provide you some more videos according to this. And so many of the videos we have provided you the learning online systems. There is so many videos you have to learn the course and make it money online. So many different courses are available in the marketing. They are useless and waste. They are not giving any. They will give a certificate which is useless. No skills and no matter. There is no skills. They are not giving the value of the course. So guys, you can check it this and apply the super affiliate system. Definitely make online money through this. Thank you friend.